I didn't know foreign nationals. What was I going to legalize them for? What? It was the means of making money that I found Home Affairs doing it. Now I joined the team. Ibhayiki ayi too much endlini yami. Umtholo wawunzima wawugqitha mna. Ngabona ukuthi okay nami manje ndithatha kancinci ndenze ndipetshele. Little did I know ukuthi I was destroying my life. I was changing myself to be the mother abantwana bam abamjongileyo kuba ndizaba ngomnye umama. Impilo yami eninzi ndiyiphilele ejele. Wasted my time, most of my time in prison. Nyaka yi-3 boshele Home Affairs. Ngaboshwa after graduation inside prison because ejele, if you want to be rehabilitated, uzawurehabilitator wena. We understand a lot of kuphuma kuwe. They are doing their job. I'm telling you, there are a lot of things that you can do in jail, in prison to change your life. But if you haven't, wena ukuzimisela ukwenza la decision ukuthi mina ndifuna ukuyeka lento, uzayiyeka.
So it was ID fraud, visa fraud, what else? Passports.
Birth certificates. Sabantwana.
So most of the clients were like from Zimbabwe, Mozambique, India, Pakistan.
India, Pakistan.
Nigeria.
Yeah. Nigerians. They were not much by then. I think my Congolese. Congo, yeah. I had clients from Congo as well.
How long did it go for? I'm a brown envelope.
I'm a brown envelope. I think I call in 1997, right? 1997 until 2004. Ngoba ndabanjwa ngo 2005.
In a month, ngama brown envelopes, how much were you taking home?
I think more than 10K sometimes.
10K
it depends. Kaloku andithi aizi kuyile lump sum. Lo uzawuza alethi 2,000 yakhe ngabantu abayi-2 omnye kule veki ezayo uzawuzisa abayi-4 yenye 3,000 or 4,000. And then amalokhuzana the Indians bona ke bentwana bathi 1.5 bazawuzisa i-3 4. And le mali ezawuza kule veki and then uyisebenzisile. And then uyisebenzise enye into yayibona lonto le. So I didn't have that money ndizawuthi bendiyithatha ndiyifaka nasebank. It was from hand to mouth. Hand to mouth. I did not save money. Apart from leyo ke endathi yake yeza kwenye family enkulu yamandiye ndayenzela wona ama-passport nama-ID babhatala imali right. And then sathenga imoto nomye nami endandingazange ndiyidrive nguye. I think abo babebhatele once off 70,000. So sayingeza and then sakwazi ukuthenga imoto, the second hand car, imoto yayimdriver kwazi ukuhambisa abantwana athini nami endidrop emsebenzini xa igqiba ahamba yokwenza i-cheating business yakhe.
So you were like a breadwinner kahle but with corruption money.
South Africans, hello, come here, listen very well. Men, women, you need to rush and run to Home Affairs, please. Rush and run to Home Affairs and ask the Home Affairs officials that you want to have a wellness check on your ID, on your whole profile on the Home Affairs system. Why am I saying this? Fire on the mountain. SIU, SAPS, Home Affairs officials, top ones, they've discovered that some of these non-South African people have a mini Home Affairs in their homes. Yes, they have a mini Home Affairs in their homes. And what are they doing? They are sitting there with multiple ID documents of South African people. And what do they do with that? They take those IDs, they marry off their brothers, their sisters, their uncles, whoever that they want to marry off. Yes, it's not a lie, it's a true story. So you might not know, maybe you are married to somebody that you don't know of. Yes, it's true. Maybe you're a woman, you're sitting there, and under your profile they say you're Mrs. Hunky Hunky Junky Junky Prunky Prunky. You don't know. And as a man, maybe you are married to another person who's non-South African, and their surname is Ali, Muhammad, whatever the surname is. You know where the danger is. The danger is you have not done your welfare check on your home affairs status. The danger is the day God remembers you. Your own family won't be able to bury you, because now you are married to somebody that, one, you didn't know of, two, your family didn't know of. Number 3, finally, check the children under your profile. Please check the children under your profile. Hey, our home affairs officials, the ones that don't have brains, that are selling South Africa piece by piece, they're even selling, giving away status to children. So you find as you are, you've got 4 children under your profile. All these children, you don't know of them. You find as you are, you've got 5, 3, 2, 1 children under your profile that you don't know of. Look at the case of Adetshina Chidima. Both her parents are not South African, but because she got an identification of a South African child, which her parents got illegally, because obviously she couldn't do it herself. How many more Adechinas are sitting around where you find you are a South African and you have an Adechina under your profile, and that is why they're walking around with pride saying, I'm South African, I am legal. Go and check. South Africans run to Home Affairs, check wellness check. If there's any fraud, you are married to people you don't know, you've got children under your profile that you don't know of, please make sure you run to SAPS, open a case against Home Affairs, rectify yourself. This is serious business. Serious business. One by one, we are cleaning the country. March and march until we win. Imagine you've got 24 children under your name. God, 24, 50, 60 million children under your name. You don't know them. Maybe most of these children walking around in the streets here, they're in the same situation as Adetshina Chidima. Both parents are not South African, but the kids say they're South African because somebody in Home Affairs sold them your profile and they put their children under you. South Africans, run, go check. Run, run, go check, please.
Let's say how at work over here. I eke horror movie, guys. I'm telling you. Eke horror movie. How ka bona di comment section tsa mo post tse. Shame. O mongwe a re, my mom can't do her smart ID. They say she doesn't appear on the system, even her fingerprint. Imagine, guys. O mongwe a re, our country is a playground nje. Yeah, ke playground vele. Someone said, all sectors need a Madlanga commission to investigate. Yes, re tlhoka staffa se sentšha ko Home Affairs. O mongwe a re, and people still think we are lazy supporting March and March. We are not lazy and we're not going to stop. Ra e tlhoka March and March. O mongwe a re, yo, imagine having kids under your name and you still haven't had any child yet. Imagine. Yo, so that fella ba kgone go gola tšhelete ya SASSA. Hi. O mongwe my flight ticket was once written Mrs. I was shocked. When I hope you go back ulo check asfapana. O mongwe I got married over a year ago and Home Affairs cannot register my marriage because my fingerprints are not linking from their ID system to their marriage certificate, to their marriage system. Okay, it's a Home Affairs too. I was apparently arrested in 2001. There are cases under my name where I was arrested. I was 10 or 11 then, but there are huge cases under my name. Imagine. Awa. I can believe you. My neighbor got a death certificate while still very much alive, so she can't access anything anymore. Bophelo ba motho bo fedile. Some people are registered to insurance policies they don't know of. Yo, I know 2 Chidimas. How can I report them anonymously? Please report them anonymously. Find a way to report these people. You know or you suspect there is someone who's doing this, report.